Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of research? A synopsis that keeps getting rejected? An SPSS output that makes no sense? A thesis chapter with no clear structure? A ResearchNet Academy exists to fix exactly that. Every week, free guidance on thesis and synopsis writing, statistics made simple, and the tools that make research faster, SPSS, R, and AI tools included. Turning confusion into clarity, one video at a time. And you won't face this journey alone. Beyond videos, we will also be running statistics coaching session, webinars and seminars along with guidance on preparing and presenting at conferences. Everything a research student needs in one place. Everything on this channel is free. But if you ever want direct one-on-one help with your own thesis, synopsis or data analysis, ResearchNet also offers that as a service. You can reach us on WhatsApp at +916383229667 and on Instagram at ResearchNetOfficial. Progress, support, and results you can be proud of. Stay tuned for all the updates. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it.